So as you know, in the question it was asked to to define a function whose name was all. So you can see we are defining a function with the help of def keyword. Name is all, receiving two values as said in the function. Everything was given in the function. I have used it only a Python language here to implement it. Then after that it was given that you have to return the positive value only in all the cases. So as you know, for the division and for subtraction, the negative value could come or the decimal could come. So you have I have taken it like this. If a is greater than b, then you have to subtract the smaller value from the greater value like this, or in the other case it would be like this. Now here you can see how many values it is returning at a time. 1 for the subtraction, d for the quotient, this is addition, and this is your multiplication. Here I have shown you that you can return either a variable or a expression, anything you can return, and you can see that it can return a multiple values also at a time. Okay, now after this, come on this one. This is the function definition. Okay, now after function definition you have to write the code to invoke it. Again and again I am repeating this thing, as there are two parameters, that means two values are required. That means either you can take a input or you can initialize it. In this I have given example of initialization. And then this is a calling of a function. Calling of a function like this, whenever it is function is returning a value, it is compulsory to receive a value, as I am receiving a value in a variable s. It is very clear, it should be clear that if something is returned, then there must be something to receive it. Otherwise no use of returning if nobody is receiving that value. So here we are receiving it. How it will work? The z x is 5 and y is 6. Again you make a call for this one. The x will move into a and y will move into b. After that we have to do this process yourself. Okay, and then returning will be received, multiple values are returning here, and it will be received by s. When you will see the display of this one, the values will be in the form of a tuple. Why? Because multiple values you are returning and here only one variable to receive. So when this variable will receive all four values, what it will do, it will make a combined form in the all the values in the form of tuple. Okay, like if our first value is this one, so the answer will be 1, and for the second it will be 0, and then for the third it will be 11, and then after that it will be 30, like this. Okay.